Julia, a therapist and nature enthusiast, shares her incredible journey of healing through the outdoors. After a tough few years battling anxiety, she discovered that spending time in nature not only calmed her mind, but also sparked a unique creativity. According to experts, studies show that even short walks in parks can reduce stress levels and improve mood. Julia recounts her transformative experience hiking in the mountains, where she found beauty in solitude and strength in challenge. Now, she encourages others to step outside, breathing fresh air, and reconnect with nature to enhance their mental resilience and overall well-being.